Hi, this is Juliet from Heal the Inner Glow. And today is day 13 of the Manifesting Challenge, transferring you from stuck, unworthy, scarcity mindset, procrastination, perfectionism, and anything holding you back from realizing your dreams. And today we're going to talk about how to restore balance and comfort yourself by using an emotional support object. Now, when you're at that point where you observe yourself and suddenly it's as if you're at a traffic light and you are the red signal, and that light is signaling your brain to be on high alert and to just shut down because you are flooded with emotions. Your system is overwhelmed. Well, you really need to figure out, how can I downregulate? How can I shift to a yellow light and then eventually a green light? And what you want to do is restore homeostasis, that balanced state. Because when we are in the depths of those intense, traumatic, or whatever you're feeling, those really strong negative emotions, we are overwhelmed. We are not thinking rationally, and it is not a healthy state for us to be in. So what you want to do is designate an emotional support object similar to, you've heard of an emotional support animal. It's the same. It's also similar to a child with their security blanket. It represents something that you use during a transitional phase, because essentially we are going through transitional phases very frequently. It could even be throughout the day, frankly. So you need something that is reliable, your loyal companion, always available, always by your side, that you can use to really bring yourself back to this state of calm, this inner peace, something that is soothing to you, whatever that may be, that represents safety, security, whatever feelings you need, those positive feelings, and how can you restore them? And eventually, over time, based on the principles of neuroplasticity, where the brain is changed due to a new repetitive positive pattern that will lay down new neural pathways in your brain and will change you forever. So how do we do this? Well, you designate an object, and it's whatever resonates with you. It could be everything from a stuffed animal to a crystal to a stone to a photo. The world is your oyster. It could be anything. It could be jewelry. So for instance, every time I hold my necklace, it reminds me to calm down, gives me a sense of security. It could be a watch. There's so many different things it could be. You can use this even in moments of grief. Let's say someone close to you recently died and you want a keepsake, this good memory. It could be a photo, it could be an object that represented them. Whatever it may be, it is just that good memory of them. So allow the grief to pass through, but also allow yourself to come back to those good memories. So there are all sorts of situations that you can use this. Let's say you are moving to a new place and you're scared. So it really helps you to release those feelings of fear and reminds you, okay, I always am carrying this with me. I'm always at home in my heart. So let me know in the comments below how this feels to use this new emotional support object. And stay tuned for day 14. And remember, glow, let go, let flow.